An H-1B holder was returned by CBP because he has an OPT scam. And he was not only returned by CBP, and he was also banned to come back for 5 years. So today we're going to share a case with you and share our tips on how to avoid OPT scam. So this H-1B holder, he had a history working for IPAX IT company a few years ago as OPT student. And he successfully transferred from OPT to H-1B in the United States. And now he's holding his H-1B visa, enter US to work for a US employer. However, at the border, he was found out he had an OPT scam record under his name. So he was returned by the CBP, and CBP had a ban on his passport. He cannot enter US for 5 years. That's a serious consequence. So you wonder, what is OPT scam? Why is this so serious, and how can I avoid it? OPT scam is you provide to your school, to USS, of an unreal job employment history. So which means for OPT students, because they are required to do the work related to their major, related to their degree. And for 12-year OPT holder, you cannot accumulate more than 90 days unemployment period. For 3-year OPT holders, you cannot accumulate more than 150 days unemployment period. Because of this requirement, those OPT students, they are dying to find a job because they wanted to keep their OPT. However, if it's not easy for you to find a job, then they go with somebody who can offer them a job offer letter without really working for them. So at least they feel like I can temporarily provide an employment evidence to my school so I can keep my OPT status. So that's why those scammed company are conducting the business, like providing you the employment job offer letter for $250 and without giving you the real job, without paying you. So that's how those companies are conducting their business. Of course, if this is not a legit, if this is a visa scam, they're going to find out sooner or later. So we have Find a Dream a few years ago, and now we have IPAX IT now. So when those companies are on the black list of USCIS, everybody who has provided an employment letter from those companies as OPT employment evidence will have an OPT scam record under their name. So this will cause a lot of trouble when you transfer status in the US, when you apply for visa at the consular office, or when you enter US. So CBP, consular office, and USS will all give you trouble because of that record. Then the next question is, how can I tell this is a problematic OPT? How can I avoid OPT scam? One golden rule is, if you work for any employer as OPT, you need to pay. It doesn't matter how much you get paid, but you need to have a paycheck. So this is the evidence USCIS, CBP, and consular office are checking to verify if this is a legit job or not. So don't try to go the gray area, say this is a volunteer job, this is allowed for OPT, because by the end of the day, if you are connected with somebody who is conducting scam without paycheck, you probably cannot explain it, or you have very difficult time to explain your innocent intention. So today, we urge you, if this is too good to be true, don't touch it. Because if that's a real job, you need to do real job, you need to get paid. So those tips are the golden rule to protect you from falling in the scam and affect your record. So if you think today's tips are helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share, because this is the motivation for us to keep making video and to keep sharing our expertise with you. Thank you.